Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One by one. One by one.
Bring come out, make it enter. Who enter again now? Who enter? Who enter MC enter again now?
If your boyfriend put up for you, I say put up for you. He the sweet to press up for you. I say press up for you. You the give me say push up for you. I say push up for you.